So we have completed that lesson. Today we will solve the exercise of that lesson. So all of you open page number 45 in your textbook. I will write it here, page number 45, Funny Bunny Rabbit exercises. Okay. In that first main, write T for the true statements and F for the false statements. Okay, true or false. First one, Funny Bunny Rabbit could not get into her house at first. Is it true or false? Yes, true. So in the given box, you need to write down only T. Okay. Next, second one, Mongoose helped Funny Bunny Rabbit. Okay. Did the mongoose help the Funny Bunny Rabbit? No. So it's false. So it's false. Okay. Next, the third one, Big Mr. Goat came out of the house when Funny Bunny Rabbit asked him to come out. Is it true? Funny Bunny Rabbit ಹೋಗಿ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಂತು ಗೋಟ್ಗೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಾ ಅಂದಾಗ ಅದು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂತ? No. So it's false. Fourth one. Little Bee did not help Funny Bunny Rabbit. Who helped the Funny Bunny Rabbit? Little Bee helped Funny Bunny Rabbit. No. So here did not help Funny Bunny Rabbit. So is it true or a false? False. The little bee helped the Funny Bunny Rabbit. Okay. Next, fifth one. Funny Bunny Rabbit cooked and ate her cabbage. Funny Bunny Rabbit cooked and ate her cabbage. Is it true? Yes. Finally, the Funny Bunny Rabbit cooked the cabbage and ate it. True. Yes, the first one true, second one false, third one false, fourth one false, and the fifth one true. Okay. Yes, children. Next, coming to the second main, answer the following questions. Okay, here I will write it only answers. Okay, there are 5 questions in the B main. This is the A main, and now the B main answers. First question is, what did Funny Bunny Rabbit find? What did Funny Bunny Rabbit find? The Funny Bunny Rabbit find what? The Funny Bunny Rabbit found a cabbage. Found a cabbage. Okay. Second one. What is the second question? Why could not Funny Bunny Rabbit get into her house? Funny Bunny Rabbit could not get into her house because as Big Mr. Goat stayed in her house and said it was his house. Third question. Who was in Funny Bunny Rabbit's house? Who was in Funny Bunny Rabbit's house? Mr. Goat was in Funny Bunny Rabbit house. Mr. Goat was in Funny Bunny Rabbit's house. Funny Bunny Rabbit's house. Okay. Fourth one. Did Mongoose help Funny Bunny Rabbit? No, the mongoose did not help Funny Bunny Rabbit. No, mongoose did not help Funny Bunny Rabbit. Okay. Next, fifth one, last question is, how did Little Bee help Funny Bunny Rabbit? Little Bee helped Funny Bunny Rabbit by stinging Mr. Goat's nose, ears and tail. Okay. So here I will write down the fifth answer. So these all are the four answers and the fifth one I will write it here. Little Bee helped Funny Bunny Rabbit by stinging Big Mr. Goat's nose, ears and tail. Nose, ears and tail. Okay. Yes. These all five are the answers. Okay. Next, coming to the horse. Do you think the size of a person is important when solving a problem? When there is a problem, do you feel the size of a person is important? Huh? So, ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಕೈತದ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಗೂಸ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಫನಿ ಬನಿ ರಾಬಿಟಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ದ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿ, ದ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಆ ಒಂದು ಫನಿ ಬನಿ ರಾಬಿಟಿಗೆ ಆ ಗೋಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಓಡಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಸೈಜ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ problem. Next, second one, have you ever helped anyone or been helped by anyone despite having differences? How did you feel then? So, ನೀವು ಯಾರಿಗಾದರೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ? So, what is the difference, you find it out. So, this is your individual response. Please answer by yourself. Okay. Next, coming to the vocabulary. Write the opposites of these words by adding I am in, un, in or this. Okay. So shall we write the opposite words of these words? Okay. Please copy these answers first. Okay. Yes, children. Shall we write opposite words? Vocabulary part. Opposites or opposite words. So the first one, pack. Pack. What is the opposite of pack? Unpack. Okay. Unpack. So next, second one, correct, incorrect. Correct, incorrect. Third one, do, undo. Do, do, undo. Okay. Next, fourth one, like. So like ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡೋದು, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. What is the opposite word of like? Dislike. ಇಷ್ಟಪಡದೆ ಇರೋದು, dislike. Fifth one, possible. Possible ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧ್ಯದ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಏನು? ವಿರುದ್ಧಾರ್ಥಕ ಪದ ಸಾಧ್ಯ, ಅಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಸೊ ಅಸಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್, ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಹಾನೆಸ್ಟ್, ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕತೆ. ಹಾನೆಸ್ಟ್, dishonest. D-I-S, dishonest. Okay. Next, seventh one, ability. Ability. So, inability. Inability. Eighth one, polite. P-O-L-I-T-E, polite. Impolite. I am ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. Impolite. Ninth one, appear. A-P-P-E-A-R, appear, disappear. ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಣಿಸೋದು, ಡಿಸಪಿಯರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಣದೇ ಇರುವುದು ಅಥವಾ ಮಾಯವಾಗುವುದು. Proper. Next, the last one is proper. The opposite word of proper is improper. So you need to add I am, improper. Yes, children, these are all 10 of the opposites of these words. Okay. Yes. Is there any doubt in this? First, copy these words in your textbook. Later, copy it in your fair book. Okay. Yes. Is it clear? So please write it down fast. Okay, next there is a pronunciation. Repeat after your teacher. Okay, due, few, crew, stew, new, new, vim, sew. Here EW, we stress the EW, new. EW na ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? NEW, new ಅನ್ನ EW ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಬ್ಲೂ, ಗ್ಲೂ, ಟ್ರೂ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? UE ಅನ್ನೋ ಶಬ್ದವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, in the language and grammar part, look at these examples. Open page number 47. The pen belongs to Harry. The pen belongs to Harry. It is Harry's pen. It is Harry's pen. Here Harry's, Harry apostrophe yes, is used. Apostrophe is used to show that something belongs to someone. Something belongs to someone. So ಇದು ಇವರಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ದು, ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ದು ಅಥವಾ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪಾಸ್ಟ್ರೋಫಿಯನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Rewrite these sentences using the apostrophe at the right place. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪಾಸ್ಟ್ರೋಫೆ ಬರೋ ತರ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನ ರೀರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಶೀಲಾಸ್ ಕಾರ್ ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ರೋಹಿತ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಅಪಾಸ್ಟ್ರೋಫೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ವೇರ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್? ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಶೀಲಾಸ್. ಶೀಲಾಸ್ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು? ಅಪಾಸ್ಟ್ರೋಫೆ ಎಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಶಾಲ್ ಐ ಶೋ ಇಟ್ ಯು ಒನ್ example? I will show you. Okay. So in the first one, Sheila's, SHEELA, Sheila apostrophe yes. So one is this one. And in the same sentence there is another word called Rohits. Okay. So Rohits, ROHIT apostrophe yes. So one ಕಾರು ಶೀಲಾಗ್ ಸೇರಿದ್ದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾರು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ದು? ರೋಹಿತ್ಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪಾಸ್ಟ್ರೋಫೆ ಎಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇಂಡಿಯಾಸ್ capital is Delhi and Thailand's capital is Bangkok. So here in this sentence again the two apostrophe s comes. So the first one is India's, India apostrophe yes. India's capital is Delhi. Is it correct? Next, Thailand's and Thailand's, Thailand apostrophe yes. Thailand's capital is Bangkok. Next, third one, Neetu's pen writes much better than Meena's pen. So here Neetu's, Neetu apostrophe yes. Writes, again there is a writes word. Writes idaga adenagutte verb agutte. So no need to write apostrophe s there. So only in the noun you need to write the apostrophe yes. Next, better than Meena's pen. Meena, Meena apostrophe yes. Fourth one, the fort's walls are much older than the tower's clock. So here again there is a two apostrophes comes. The first one, forts, F-O-R-T apostrophe yes. And towers, T-O-W-E-R apostrophe yes. Okay. Yes, children. Next, there is a fifth one is there. Bobby's shirt looks a lot like his brother's shirt. So here this is your homework. The fifth one, write it yourself. Okay. Next, read these examples in the B main. You are too little, you can't help me, said Funny Bunny Rabbit to Little Bee. She could also have said, you are too little to help me. You are too little to help me. So here fill in the blanks using too or very. So only by using the two words you need to fill in the blanks. So TWO, too and very. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು fill in the blanks ಅನ್ನ fill ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So the first one, you are a dash good friend to me. You are very good friend to me. So here very, you need to write very. Second one, he is dash kind to do something mean. He is too kind, T-O-O, too. He is too kind to do something mean. They are too rich to worry about the cost of a car. Here too rich means T-O-O, too, not T-W-O. Okay. Yes, next, fourth one. She is dash clever, but her friend is not. She is very clever. ಅವಳು ಏನಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಜಾಣ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ವೆರಿ. We are dash scared to go mountain climbing. We are too scared. ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ? ಬಹಳ ಹೆದರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. So too scared. ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆದರಿದ್ರು ಅವರು? ಟು ಗೋ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬಿಂಗ್, ಬೆಟ್ಟವನ್ನ ಪರ್ವತವನ್ನ ಹತ್ತಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಹೆದರಿದ್ರು. ಟು ಸ್ಕೇರ್ಡ್, ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆದರಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಟರ್ನ್ ದಿ ಪೇಜ್. Writing practice. Write 5 sentences on a visit to a garden. So here, if you are visiting a garden, so write 5 sentences in your own. Okay, so here this is your homework, children, so please write it down. Okay, next, values for a life activity. Look at these pictures and tell the story. Okay, so again there is a one rabbit story is given here, so look at this picture and find out the which story it is. Give a title for that story. Okay, this is your activity. Yes, children, here we have completed the exercise of this lesson. Okay, please complete your book. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.